In this video, we're going to create a graded assignment using Edline. And by a graded assignment, what I'm talking about is allowing a student to send a file back to his or her teacher. The teacher will receive the file where he can then grade that file or assignment. And the grades will then automatically be transferred back to Edline. So let's begin. We're within the Prout homepage, and I'm going to come over here to My Classes and Shortcuts, and then click on my first class, number 702. It's now appearing, and I'm going to come over here to the Contents area. I have all of my assignments within the Assignments folder. So I'm right now within Contents, and I'm going to move down and click on the link called Assignments. As you can see, right now I've created 4 assignments, and I want to create a new one. So once again, I'm within the Assignments folder or Assignments area. And I'm going to come over here, I find it easier, and click on the button where it says Edit in the List View. Right over here, Edit in the List View. And I'm going to left click here. I get a box, which is really telling me that I'm within the Assignments folder. And what I want to do to create my assignment is I want to come over here next to where it says Add, and I'm going to hit the down arrow and move down to Homework Hand-In. That's the first step. To create that assignment, we have to move down to Homework Hand-In. Click on it. It's now showing, it's been selected, and then click on Add. A box will come up, and I'm going to create my title for that assignment. And I'm going to call that assignment Practice Test 2. That's my title. I'm going to copy that title. You don't have to, but I like to usually put in a summary. Add some additional information in this box right over here. And once again, I'm keeping it the same as my title. If you want to, you can add in some additional information. Next, I come down usually to the calendar date. This is when my assignment will begin appearing within Edline. Click the calendar. Choose the date when I want it to begin appearing. In this case, I'm going to click on March 6th. Left click. It's going to begin appearing on March 6th. Move down a little further to the Setup box. And the next step is to build my Homework Hand-In. I'm going to click on Build My Homework Hand-In. A box will come up. And in this case, all I'm going to write in is, please upload your file to Edline. Now, if I wanted to, I could attach a few handouts. In this case, I'm not going to, because the students will download the file from another area. But once again, I have the ability to attach other files that they can work on save that file, and then eventually send it back to me. So all I'm adding is please upload your file to Edline. And I'm going to click on Save and Return. So I want to save that message. I'm going to scroll down a little bit farther. And next, what I want to do is users can access their work after submission. I want to make a change here. I usually hit the down arrow, and you have the ability to actually select no. But what I usually do is I click on yes, they can view it, but they can only view it. They can't make changes. So I'm going to choose yes, view only. Next, I want this information to appear so that the students can look at their grading and any remarks that I've made regarding the assignments. So I click on yes, and also I want it to appear in the gradebook. So I also click here, yes again, sync with my gradebook. So I want to display the grading and feedback. That's a yes. Also, sync with my gradebook. I want it to appear in my gradebook. Scroll down a little bit farther. And come into the box that says responses. Right now it's telling me there are no responses to this, which makes sense. I'm just creating it. And at some point in time, you want to click on here where it says allow homework hand-in submissions. So in that way, the file will now be appearing within Edline, and the students have the ability to respond or send their file back to the instructor. So you want to click here, allow homework hand-in. By doing that, what you can see is that the box has been changed. Okay, this homework hand-in can now be accessed and completed by your submitters. Looks good. Next, click on Save and Return. Click on Done. And it is now appearing. Once again, if I go back to my home page for my class, we can see that it is now appearing within my calendar. So the students will be able to see that assignment, click on it themselves, and then submit a file back to his or her teacher. Thank you.